What is going on, guys? It's me, yang Pablo or whatever you guys know me by. And korang boleh nampak aku ada banyak kotak nak unboxing. So let's get on to the unboxing. So starting off, kita ada unboxing package daripada Kith. So actually kotak ni dalam dia ada sepasang kasut. And you guys can try and guess lah what shoes it is. But I'm gonna show you in a bit. So over here we do have a pair of Air Force 1 dengan receipt from UPS, order confirmation. And we do have a pair of Air Force 1. So jom kita tengok apa dalam dia. So kat sini kita ada Kith Nike Air Force 1. Style lah. Ni memang special. Dia release dekat Kith je. Kalau korang nak tengok review, let me know down in the comment below kalau you guys nak see a review. So for the next package, we are gonna unbox a package daripada Nike. So actually kotak ni dah sitting at my house. For this one is about 3 to 4 months lah, lama juga I beli ni actually when it was on sale. Even before sale, I dah memang eyeing item ni. I add it to my wish list. And tengok-tengok, I tunggu sale. Jeng-jeng, dia on sale. So let's see what's inside. We do actually have a jacket. Yes, sebab San Francisco actually sejuk kan. Especially time sekarang sebab dia kat time winter. So kalau korang nampak, jacket ni is actually a collab with Fire Department of New York dengan Nike. Boleh tengok kat sini dia punya logo. And then over here we do have the Nike logo. And on the back memang style lah guys. Tengok ni, FDNY Nike. Nanti I akan buat I will take an outfit picture with this. Kalau you guys nak tengok the outfit picture, bolehlah follow me on Instagram @DanielIman98. So make sure to follow me, but I will post definitely a very sick picture with this jacket. Let's get on to the next package. So actually baju ni aku dapat daripada Worldwide Youth. That time dia buat thank you for I think 100,000 followers kat Instagram dia. So dia buat free baju drop. Cuma you kena bayar shipping je, and I only pay $8 for this baju. So over here we do have the baju, as you guys can see. Nanti I letak gambar full post, but I malas nak buka, lepas tu nak lipat balik. But I will post a full picture on the side here. And Worldwide Youth actually ni upcoming brand from US, daripada based from New York. If you guys want, you can check out the Instagram. I akan letak dia punya Instagram username kat bawah ni below. Okay, for the next package we have a baju from Cactus Jack. Aku ada beli banyak barang pada Travis Scott punya shop. It's lit! So aku akan a lot of this unboxing is going to be from Travis Scott itself actually for this video. So aku tak sure pun baju mana sebab aku ada place a few orders for a few baju. Okay, let's see what baju we have here. It says this is the T3500 portrait t-shirt. Again, aku malas nak buka, but aku akan letak gambar full kat sini so you guys can see. And aku akan ambil juga outfit pic sebab semua baju yang aku beli aku memang pakai guys. Lepas tu yang lama-lama punya yang aku tak pakai aku akan jual. So anyways, make sure to follow again my IG. So this next package actually is from Crips MY. Dia hantar kat rumah aku, lepas tu aku hantar kat dia. So let's see what we have inside here. If you know Crips MY, shout out to Hisham. Ni dia beli baju ni. Hisham, this is your baju. Sebab ni baju kau, aku tak akan buka Hisham. But you guys can see lah. Aku akan letak again the picture kat sebelah sini. Macam nice juga tu, ada puff print dekat sini. So untuk package ni aku dapat daripada one of my local shops down here dekat San Francisco. Dia actually jual barang-barang vintage, shoes, sneakers, something like round 2 lah, tapi in San Francisco. So let's see what's inside the baju. Shout out to Archive SF. Again, I'll plug the Instagram here if you guys want to follow. And this is a baju vintage, as you guys tengok ni. Wah, start. So if you guys tahu, design ni is actually design Pillsboro Doughboy Tee. This is a brand dekat US ni memang famous lah. And dia buat macam Air Jordan punya design. So memang style, and I call up as in my size. Aku rasa aku paid dalam $30, which is around RM120. So tak teruk sangat lah pricing dia. And for the next package we do have again daripada Travis Scott. Aku dah cakap dah, aku memang beli banyak t-shirt pada Travis Scott memang sebab Travis Scott tu memang one of my favourite rappers of all time. So guys, here we have the Siko event t-shirt. And aku akan letak again the design dia sebab aku akan pakai baju ni tapi maybe later on. So aku tak nak buka lagi, lepas tu kena lipat balik from inside the packaging. So I will letak a picture here and you guys can see lah. So for my last box, we do actually have a game from Travis Scott. So let's see what's inside. Aku rasa aku tahu apa dalam ni. It's actually a figurine. Yes, the Travis Scott punya figurine masa dia buat Fortnite collab. Oh, dalam ni ada kotak lagi. Oh, okay. Just like I guess, it actually is the Fortnite collab. So, let's see. So aku buka dia punya packaging. Sebab this is actually for my personal collection. Aku nak buat display je kat dalam bilik aku. And as you guys can see, tengok design dia. Wah, lawa tu. Aku rasa aku bayar dalam $60. So, mahal lah sikit. Tapi aku rasa worth it lah. If you're a fan of Travis Scott and atau suka collect benda-benda macam ni, memang worth it lah guys. It's lit! Start lah. Ui, ada dia punya special punya. Anyways guys, that is gonna be it for my video hari ni. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed until the end, make sure to leave a like and subscribe the video and comment down below if you did enjoy the video atau you guys nak interact with me atau nak tanya any questions. Please do leave it in the comments below. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. And it's been me, Pablo, Lord Pablo, Muhammad Reno, whatever you guys know me by, signing out. Peace.